Okay, so a few of you told me today that I messed up on the Rogers musical because I didn't line up the buy it now button and the error button or whatever it was. And when I looked at Labbits, I thought that it was another blind box where you just click over here in the middle, but it's not. Because usually when you click one of these, it says it's a blind box, but there's actually a buy it now button here. And so the trick for these is that I guess you have to pick which one you want. I'm going to obviously go with ultra rare. And the way that you do it is you have to line up this OK button with your buy it now button so that you could basically do a rapid fire like how I'm doing it. So I lined up my buy it now button with this error button, and then you do rapid fire, rapid fire, rapid fire. You got it? That's the secret that I learned today. This is coming out in 3 hours. I'm definitely going to try for it, and hopefully I'll be able to get it. And then if it says sold out, I don't know what's going to happen after that. I think my chances will be done because you can only focus on one of these in order to get it, I think. It's not like the blind box technique. What is this technique called? I'm not sure. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do, and I hope that this helps you, and let me know. Bye.